Hi, I'm Joe Saunders with Miniature Landscape Hobbies, and in this video, I have a special announcement. On January 9th, my channel passed 1,000 subscribers. That was, to me, just amazing. Considering I started the channel for Miniature Landscape Hobbies just over a year ago, I think that's some pretty good progress. In that time, we've posted just slightly over 90 videos featuring all aspects of the art of building a miniature. Now, as you know, I'm primarily a wargamer and a terrain builder, but I enjoy all aspects, ranging from building dioramas, working on scale models, right down to working on dollhouses and other larger scale features. The purpose of this video, though, is not to discuss why I created Miniature Landscape Hobbies, but to let you, my viewers and subscribers, know just how much I appreciate your support. The first video I ever did was a quick tour of my games table. I did this just for fun, at about the same time I wrote a few terrain articles for Battlefront Miniatures. I could not imagine at the time that a side project that I had planned to occupy my time during the various lockdowns would turn into such a rewarding and well-received endeavor. Of course, I also appreciate how much my viewers are willing to follow along despite my lack of experience. Running a YouTube channel is like being a model builder. The whole thing is all about learning. But if you are committed to continual improvement and have meaningful content, you can make incremental improvements over time that pay off. The most popular video to date on my channel is actually the 7th video I ever made. This is about my technique for painting windows. It's approaching around 3,000 views, but in terms of setup and production, it shows that I'm on a pretty steep learning curve. Despite this, model painters of all sorts watch the video constantly to learn the technique, and I appreciate the fact that they ignore the lower quality. This continued interest is a source of pride for me, and just goes to show that useful information has value no matter how it's presented. Beyond this, though, I promise to keep improving to provide quality content that also helps you develop your skills. This brings me to another point about the miniature building community. No matter what corner of the community you come from, whether you're a wargamer or diorama builder or model train enthusiast, just to name a few, the people who pursue the art of building a miniature are just plain excellent. They are always welcoming and offering encouragement. And it's this feeling of inclusiveness and mutual support that makes me proud to be here. The fact that I'm motivated on top of all of the other demands in life to produce content for the miniature building community, day in, day out, is a testament to how wonderful it is to be integrated into and appreciated by the group. So, looking into the future, I encourage you to stay tuned for more content. I have plenty more planned, including a tour of some amazing model train spreads. I'm just waiting for the lockdowns to be lifted. And of course, more terrain building and miniature painting tutorials. That's it for this episode. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more content. If you haven't subscribed, please remember to do so and hit the bell button so you get immediate notification and you don't miss out. We'll be back with regular content, including some terrain and model building, very soon. Don't worry. Until then, remember to keep building life in miniature.